we know, our healthcare has never been more important, and choosing the right physician for you and your family has never been more important. And that's why it's always such a treat to check in with the team over at MyCare Medical Group, because that really is their passion, and making sure that they are taking care of the great folks here in the Bay Area. James Dubrey joining us once again to talk about the team and how they've been able really to grow over the last year, when I think a lot of other places were battling some challenges as well. James, so good to see you. We love checking in with you and the team.
Good to see you as well. And what an excellent question. I can tell you part of our mission has always been to provide really high quality, cost effective care with excellent patient experience. And when we talk to other providers and other doctors, they believe in that mission. And so a lot of them have partnered with us and brought their patient panels along with them. And so we're really excited because it really represents a core ethic that we have. And the fact that we can demonstrate that to other providers, let them come in and see that we not only talk about it, we actually have a platform and we actually have systems that allow us to perform against those standards. They're joining our practice. And as a result of that, we're growing. And so on top of that, we add a lot of resources to their practice that helps them expand as well. And it's been really wonderful for us. The pandemic hasn't slowed us down a bit.
Yeah, let's talk about what the specialty there is, and kind of, all over the Bay Area. We've had a chance to meet a number of the doctors on your team. I've always been so impressed, again, with their passion and why they got into doing what they do in healthcare and helping people. But what is your specialty? What do you want people to know this morning when they are looking for a new doctor, and why they should maybe look at MyCare Medical?
Very good, very good. We actually specialize in Medicare eligible patients, seniors. We really concentrate very heavily there. Now, if you think about our coverage, we actually, when we are expanding, we're looking for some of the best doctors to partner with. And so I'll give you some names in a minute, and you'll say, "Oh, I know those names," or most patients will know those names. We have 32 facilities in the state of Florida, 80 providers. Of the 32 facilities that we have, 20 of them are in the Tampa metro area. And of the 20 that we have in the metro area, we have 11 in Hernando, Pasco, and Hillsborough County, and we have 9, believe it or not, in Pinellas County. And Pinellas County is one of the fastest growing counties in the country. And so we've been concentrating there and partnering with Dr. Du, Dr. King, Dr. Desai, Dr. Patel, Dr. Shaw, Dr. Delau, and even Dr. Drake. So those names patients recognize, and those are the names that have partnered with us and brought their panels with us. And so that's how we're growing, and that's how we're expanding. And Pinellas and Tampa Bay is a very big, important part of our growth.
But, there's no better relationship than that doctor, physician, and patient relationship. What advice do you have, again, for maybe somebody who is looking for, whether it be a new physician or, a new place to kind of join? I mean, talk about kind of the difference that your team is offering, because I know that is, important to you and the team.
Yeah, patient experience is very, very critical, because it is what seals the relationship between the patient and the doctor. And if you have a great experience at your facility, the patients are more apt to share more information, inform the doctor better, so that they can make a better health decision about how to treat and keep the patients healthy. And so we strive very heavily to make sure that we're working very closely in partnership with our patients. One of the things that I've always said every time I've been on here is meet your doctor, come by and see the location, encounter the staff before you make a decision about who's going to be your provider, because that's going to be an important life-altering relationship. And so you should know who you're going to be partnering with. One of the things we're doing as we expand is we're doing now a round of grand openings, and they're designed more as a festival, a festive environment, but it's designed to meet the patient, meet the doctors, see the staff, get a feel for the location. And we're doing one, as a matter of fact, this Saturday on 5/22. We're going to do it from 11 to 3. It's going to be at our location on 38th Avenue North, 6703 38th Avenue North in St. Petersburg. And we want you to come out and have a good time and meet the staff. The Mayor Christman, is coming out as well. We'll have another number of celebrities and politicians there as well. It is part of our commitment to helping the economic growth engines of a lot of these communities that we go in, but also a continuing effort to make sure our patients get a chance to meet the staff and meet the doctors before they decide to join the practice.
Yes. Well, job well done. I know it has not been necessarily an easy task, but you continue to do it, move the practices forward. James, always a treat to check in with you. There is the website, the phone number to call to get more information. And certainly, if you can, head out to that great event this weekend. Good to see you, James.